I'm Matt Bishar with NARI, and I'm in London for EPRA's annual conference. Joining me is Luciano Gabriel, CEO of PSP Swiss Property. Let's start by talking about the Swiss office market. What's your outlook for the next 12 months?
The Swiss office market has been very stable over the past years, even during the subprime crisis, and it remains stable. We even see that there's an increasing demand for office space, so we are quite confident. We're not expecting a booming development, but a constantly positive growth.
And what is your outlook for the listed property sector within the context of the overall European property market?
At least in our case, we have seen there have been many fluctuations that had very little to do with the underlying business, and overall we come out very well. But there are such big fluctuations that have often very little to do with the real estate market.
We talked a little bit about the Swiss office market, and kind of moving back to that, where does the office market compare in terms of other property sectors in the country?
The office market has been developing quite well over the last 5-6 years. We did not have a real estate crisis. So we had one in the 90s, but since 2000 we had quite a smooth development on the commercial as well as on the residential market.
And are there any segments of the Swiss market that are struggling a little more right now? Or?
Not yet, but there will certainly be, because when the markets are doing well for several years, people tend to overestimate the stability of the market and tend to start investing more and more, say, in B locations. And we expect that some investors or developers overestimate the economic strengths of certain locations. I think as long as you stick around Zurich or Geneva, it's fine. But it's all built, and so a developer have to go a bit more out to the periphery. And there I see potentially some issues coming up in the next years. If it's in 1 year, 5 years, nobody knows. But
with that possible challenge on the horizon, what do you see as, perhaps another challenge facing the Swiss market?
We are in a mature market. The growth rate, the potential is 2–2.5%. It's from the point of view of many outsiders, a little bit a boring market, and one has to accept that in such an environment things happen at a slow pace. But if you do that, then you come out quite well. For example, we have been boring since years, but we have been outperforming the EPRA index since years. So no, I would say not until 2007. Of course, the companies with more leverage in other countries have been a better performance. But if you take the whole period from 2000 up to now, we clearly outperformed the overall index. Just by being boring, we did not go up so fast, but we didn't fall that much. And the performance last year, for example, of our stock was 30%. This year already 10%. And it's not bad for a boring environment.
Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
For more on this and other subjects, be sure to visit REIT.com as well as EPRA.com.